Okay, next what you have to be able to do, now that you know vertex form, is be able to switch back and forth between vertex form and standard form. So to remind you, vertex form is this: y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, and standard form is just y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So to go from here to here, notice there's no parentheses squared here, so the first thing you're going to need to do is box out the binomial that's being raised to the power there. So for this example, we're going to do x minus 1 squared. Now remember, a binomial raised to the second power is a trinomial in disguise. So that's x minus 1 times x minus 1. It gives you x squared minus x plus 1. So out of that whole box, as you combine your like terms, what you have, substituting it in that part of the function, is y equals 2, still in parentheses, you have x squared minus 2x plus 1, and don't forget to bring down that minus 25. Your next step then is to distribute a, and a is the number that's in front of the parentheses. So next I'm going to distribute the 2 to every single term in the parentheses. So that becomes 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 25. And then last step, combine my like terms. At the end, you're going to have two numbers here that you just need to simplify into one number. So as you see, now this function that started off in vertex form has now been put in standard form. Alright, example 2. Same thing. First step is to get rid of that power, and the only way to do that is by boxing this out. And as I'm doing that, when I bring everything else down, so I have y is equal to 5, and in parentheses, where I had x plus 3 squared, I'm going to be substituting what I just multiplied out, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 125. Next step, distribute a, so I'm going to distribute the 5. And last step is to combine my like terms. And again, what we have is a function that started off in vertex form and has now been put in standard form. If you were to graph these two things, you would get the exact same picture. Okay, great. Next, we'll be doing it the other way.